Mask mouth and dry mouth. When you're wearing a mask and you can't breathe, you get more dryness in the mouth. So you're not having as much saliva. And saliva is actually what kills the bacteria and viruses and clumps everything together so they won't be so detrimental to our body. Help wash everything away. And so when you lack that, now you have a breeding ground for these bacteria, viruses, fungus to really just grow and prosper and cause issues. And these issues can be cavities, inflammation. It's a perfect place for anybody or any virus to live and actually grow. So what you got to do, you're going to have to drink lots of water. You're going to have to take off the mask some. You're going to have to just know that any perceived good thing can also cause some complications. And it's part of the complications that we're seeing. So be aware of it. Make sure you pay attention and make sure you take action. Don't have the negative consequences of wearing a mask.